down the chimney. Yeah, look at all that stuff he left you. Wow. Well, maybe some of it's for me and Mommy. We were good boys and girls, except for being a little bit of naughty last night.
Shut up. This is a family video.
What, you want to open something? What's under here? What's under here? Here, pull it off.
Let her get used to this idea for a minute there. What's under there? Is that something for Rihanna under there?
Oh, look.
Pretty. Pretty. Wait, she'll notice in a minute. Rihanna, what's under there? Let her look at everything. She's just overwhelmed. Rihanna. Rihanna. What's there?
What's that? What's that, Rihanna?
Yeah, Santa brought all this stuff. What's there? What's here, sweetie? Come here. Is that right? Come here, sweetie. Rihanna. Rihanna. What's there? Oh, what's that?
Look,
is there something under
is
there?
Is that a Rihanna chair? Is that a chair just for Rihanna? It is. It's a chair.
Oh,
just for
she
Rihanna.
pounced on it.
Just your size.
Look at that smile.
It's just for you. Santa brought you a chair.
Yeah, he knew you needed one. Because all our big people furniture's just too big for you. She likes it. Yeah, Santa brought you a chair.
Yeah, he put wrapping paper on it. Give her something else to tear in. Here. Mommy's got it wrapped for you. Here, let me get you. Tear the paper off. Tear the paper off. Yeah, keep going. Oh, there's 2 layers. There are 2 layers of paper off. What's in there? Take the paper off. You gotta take the paper off. Yeah. Store it on the floor. There we go.
Better get a hefty bag.
You roll this one back up.
Oh, she's tearing it open herself. Good girl. What is it? It's a pretty thing.
Oh, what's in there?
She loves that chair. She's made no attempt to get out of it since you put her there. I knew she wanted one of those because she kept trying to jump on them and stand.
What's in there? Hey, tear it off with me. Tear the paper off. You can do it.
What is that?
paper. Here you go. Boom. You're supposed to use
He's
it.
not getting out of that chair.
I thought that should be the first thing.
She said, this is great, but I'm not getting out of my chair. Oh, oh goodness. You all right there?
She's okay. She landed her hands on her knees to get rid of this hot hat. It's fogging my brain.
This could be a long Christmas morning.
Isn't this why we're supposed to eat breakfast first?